So today something I'm exploring is how we might be able to use Google Meets for stations for breakout rooms. And I think I found something that should work until or if Google creates something. So what I've done is I've created nicknames. I'm just using simple animals here for this, but I created a Google nickname for each of my breakout rooms. So I did a video on this, but basically with Google nicknamed meeting rooms is that when you have you can assign the nickname ahead of time. So in this case, my nickname is Cal. And you can assign the nickname beforehand, but the students, even if they have the nickname, they cannot enter until an NCS adult has started it. So what that means is you can assign proctors. If you're having proctors do your breakout groups, you can assign that proctor to be the one that opens that meeting. And once they are in there, the students can then see that meeting when they click this link, and they can jump into that breakout room quickly. So what I'm kind of exploring is the idea of you having your whole group Google Meet, and you discuss, whatever that whole group activity is. And then when you're ready to do the breakout rooms, your proctors can go to that breakout room, click this link, or, open it beforehand using the nicknames. And what'll happen is the students can then log in and do whatever the activity is in there. I was fortunate to jump into some breakout rooms the other day, and one of the questions was there was just a little bit of downtime between one proctor working with the group and the next one. You can even add another, little activity in there in between while you're waiting for the stations to rotate. But I think nicknames is going to be a great tool. And then you as the teacher, you can then rotate between the breakout rooms. There will still be an adult in each of them because your proctors already have them open, and you should be able to toggle between them. And so I'm going to show you what that might look like. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my new tab, and I'm going to do my first link, which is my cow link. And then I'm going to open up my dog link. And we'll just simulate that I'm opening the last one. That's okay. So some extensions that I downloaded or that I found were going to work really well with this is there is one in the App Store. It's called Mute Tab. And so what that means is that you can have each of those tabs open without having that clutter of having all of your breakout groups making noise. So I'm going to go to this one here, and I'm going to click my Mute tab. I forgot what it looks like. There it is. Okay, mute tab. So I'm going to mute this particular tab before I join. And then I'm going to mute this one before I join. So what that means is I can have those breakout rooms open, and I can click through this one and see how it's going in here by unmuting it. I can click in this one, see how it's going by unmuting it. And another one that was kind of cool is tab resize. It's this one here. And with this one, you can choose how to toggle your windows. So if you have, again, those 3 or 4 breakout rooms going, you can tell your system to, let's pop this one over here. If I go to that tab resize, it'll put those windows kind of together so I can keep track of them, unmute, 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 and kind of monitor those. So, again, I haven't had a chance to really play with this too much because it's very tricky for me to kind of navigate all the windows and all the technology. But if somebody is interested in playing with this, I would love to see how it works. I'd love to explain more about how it works. Just pop into office hours, email me, and I would love to try this out to see if this is going to be a good solution to the breakout rooms. And also, if you're trying to have a proctor, they don't have that functionality in Zoom that helps them control things. And also, in this way, you're able to kind of sort the kids beforehand, and you would just tell them. Let me go to my presentation real quick. I also have another little idea for if you're doing choice, if you're doing whole group instruction and then you want to break the students into smaller groups, you can kind of do that, thumbs up if you've got it, awesome, click here, and then this one takes them to, again, a nickname breakout room based on, okay, they're just ready to practice. And this one takes them to a breakout room just based on, okay, I need a little bit of clarification, and then they can jump into that one. And then this one is going to be like your more focused instruction. So just another way of thinking about those rooms and maybe giving the students some choice in that. So anyway, I would love to play with this with you. I would love to explore. I'd love for you to ask any questions. Just let me know if this is something that you're working on, and I would love to help you out. Or figure it out myself if you find something that works even better. I'd love that too. All right. Thank you.